Assalamu alaikum, it's literature lesson and we will read 6th chapter of The Lion, the Witch, the Wardrobe. All of us know it is the first novel of the Chronicles of Narnia and it is written by C.S. Lewis. First, the objectives. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to describe the story so far in the novel, explain the main idea, answer the questions. Recap of the story so far. The novel opens with 4 siblings who have been sent to the country to escape the air raids of the World War II. They stay with Professor Crick. Their names are Peter, Susan, Edmund, and Lucy. On their first day in the country, it rains, so the children decide to explore the house. As they explore, they discover a spare room that is completely empty except for a large wardrobe. Peter, Suzanne, and Edmund leave the room, but Lucy stays behind to look inside the wardrobe. Surprised when the wardrobe door opens, Lucy steps inside the enormous closet to find a snowy wood at the back of it. Intrigued, she explores the wood, knowing that the safe wardrobe is still behind her. Eventually, she meets a fawn. It is half goat and half man. The fawn is carrying an umbrella and several parcels. When it sees Lucy, it is so startled that it drops all of its packages. After the fawn recovers from the scare, it asks Lucy if she is a daughter of Eve. Lucy does not understand this question, but she later realizes that the fawn is asking whether Lucy is a human girl. Lucy replies that she is a girl. The fawn introduces himself. Lucy has a delightful tea with Temnus. Temnus serves wonderful food and then plays beautiful music for her on a little flute. Finally, Lucy shakes herself out of her dream and announces that she must go home. The fawn sorrowfully tells her that she cannot go home as Temnus is slave of the White Witches and is ordered to enslave any human he may find. On the next rainy day, the children play a game of hide and seek. Edmund peers into the spare room and sees Lucy vanishing into the wardrobe. He follows her into the wardrobe, intending to keep teasing her, but once inside, he finds himself in Narnia. He meets the White Witch over there. The sweet dessert compels the unfortunate eater to keep on eating it. He does not notice why the queen interrogates him sharply about his family, particularly his brothers and sisters. Edmund also tells her that Lucy has been to Narnia and met a fawn. Coming back from Narnia, Lucy tells the story of her second and Edmund's first visit to Narnia and looks to Edmund for verification. Edmund tells the others that he and the Lucy were just playing a game. The children go to Professor for clarification but become more confused. One day when a tour party was visiting the house, all of them enter in the wardrobe and enter in Narnia. Now the 6th chapter starts into the forest. I will read a short summary of the chapter. Students, you are well aware we have met these characters so far: Suzanne, Peter, Lucy, Edmund, Fawn, and White Witch. When the chapter starts, the 4 siblings have entered the land of Narnia. Lucy leads the group to Temnus's house, but when they get there, they find that it has been ransacked. A note on the floor informs all visitors that Temnus has been taken away on charges of treason. Lucy understands immediately that this means the witch has discovered that Temnus spared her life. They decide to help Temnus in spite of the fact that Edmund was against this proposal. They do not know where they are going, but a robin leads them to the middle of the wood. Peter, Suzanne, and Lucy believe that the robin is friendly, but Edmund whispers to Peter that the robin may be on the wrong side and leading them into a trap. Edmund contends that they do not even know which is the wrong side and which is the right. He also points out that they now have no idea how to return home, which troubles Peter a lot, but they continue chasing the robin. Now scan chapter 6 and write the meanings of new vocabulary: cramped, bricks, wrenched off, smashed, treason, fraternizing, dazzling. Listen the text of chapter 6, read it, visualize the story and answer the question. Do you think Robin was leading them to right direction? Give reasons. Why was Edmund against the proposal of finding Temnus? That was all for today. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.